welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have a modification, not for the BMW but for the Tacoma. So there's been these lights that I've been wanting to install in the Tacoma for a while. Haven't had the chance. I ordered them, but you know, they've been really busy lately. But nonetheless, today I have the chance to install them on the truck. There are Raptor lights. They're little, you know, the little amber lights that go on the grill for the Tacoma. Sadly, I won't be able to do like a full, you know, how-to video, and so I'll pretty much do like a little summary after I'm done installing them, simply because it is cold outside. It's like 41 degrees, I believe, something like that. And you know, working on a car in the cold weather, it's not the best thing to do. You know, it's really annoying, and you know, your hands freeze really quick. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and do the summary. It's a pretty easy installation. Link to the product will be in the description below if you guys are interested in purchasing it. And you know, it's simple. It's a plug and play kit. So yeah, the extra things you might need, aside from the plug and play lights, which came in this box right here, nothing fancy, not even a brand. It's some zip ties to tighten up the extra cables, something to cut the zip ties, the extra part of it. And you might need some electrical tape. I'm not 100% sure, but I bought it just in case. These are the lights. This simply just snaps in there into the little holes on the grill. These are all the wires. All of them will be connected to this one, which then will be connected to your fuse box to give it power. Pretty much, if you have the TRD Pro grill, you just find one of the holes and it just snaps in there, and it'll look like that once they're installed. Let me go ahead and do that first. All right, so that's how they look on the truck right now. I went ahead and put all four. So now let's just do the wiring, which will connect those cables sticking out, and then hook it up to the fuse box and to a ground so we can have power. That's how the lights looked installed. I went ahead and put in the four like I said. So let's just turn them on and show you how it looks. Let me show you the wiring first. So it's not the most beautiful wiring. You know, they put some zip ties there so it doesn't just move around all the time. I might put in some more just in case I need it. You know, I just put the basics, hooked it up to the ground, and the power, it's in there in the fuse box connected to the headlights. So let's turn it on. Ooh, there it is. It does look nice. Let me know what you guys think. But like I said, it's a pretty easy installation, plug and play. There you go, guys. It was a pretty easy installation. Like it says, it's plug and play. I like how it looks. It definitely makes the front look a little bit different now with the little amber lights, Raptor amber lights on the truck. We'll have some other stuff to come into the truck. Now that I lifted up the hood, you know, it's not a hydraulic hood, so I might install something in the truck for that, for whenever there are some installations that need to be done under the hood. Makes it a lot easier because the hood is heavy. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. I will see you all on the next one. Subscribe if you haven't to the channel for more BMW and Tacoma content and other cars, of course. So yeah, I'll see you around, and take care. Peace.